Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways of removing browsing history. Let's enter the browser. In my case, it will be this default one. And here, let's start with tapping on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner. The first option is, I would say, basic and quick. Let's tap on bookmarks and history and tap on this history section. All we have to do here is to tap on this broom icon or brush icon in the right upper corner, and your device will ask you whether you want to clear the history or not. So just tap on clear to confirm, and all of the list of all previously visited websites should be cleared. Another way is a little bit more, I would not say complicated, but a little bit more advanced. Tap on the 4 dots icon in the right upper corner again and enter the settings here. So let's tap on it. Now in the advanced section, we've got clear browsing data option. So let's tap. And as you can see here, we can actually choose what we want to remove. So we can remove input history, browsing history, and cached pages, and those are marked by default. And we can also choose cookies, passwords, site settings, and home page news cache. So simply mark the options and tap again on this broom icon. Tap on clear, and as you can see, we've got this information. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.